Have you ever wondered what happens to your body during a water fast? Imagine just drinking water for a whole day. Sounds intense, right? But it's gaining popularity. Let's dive into the fascinating effects on your body when you water fast 1 day a week. First, let's understand what water fasting really means. Water fasting is when you consume only water for a 24-hour period. No food is allowed. This practice is often used for detoxification or weight loss, but there's much more to it. When you start a water fast, your body undergoes several changes. Initially, you may feel hungry and tired. That's your body craving food. But don't worry. After a few hours, your body shifts from using glucose as energy to burning fat. This process is called ketosis. During ketosis, your body becomes incredibly efficient at using fat for energy. This can lead to weight loss. Also, fat breakdown releases ketone. Ketones are beneficial for brain health. They can improve cognitive function and mental clarity. As the day progresses, your body begins to detoxify. Without food, your digestive system gets a break. This allows your body to focus on repairing cells and flushing out toxins. You may even notice clearer skin and improved digestion over time. Now you might ask, what about hydration? Drinking water during a fast is crucial. It keeps you hydrated and helps maintain kidney function. Staying hydrated ensures your body continues to detoxify effectively. Wondering what this looks like in real life? Picture this. It's your water fast day. You wake up, drink a glass of water, and enjoy your usual activities. At first, you're aware of your hunger. Slowly, your stomach settles. You stay alert as your brain benefits from those ketones. You might even find more energy to get things done. Remember, the magic happens when you make this a weekly habit. Over time, you may notice improvements in your body. Regular water fasting can boost metabolism, enhance weight loss, and improve overall health. Let's summarize what we've learned. Water fasting for a day a week can lead to weight loss, better brain function, detoxification, and improved digestion. Your body knows how to adapt and heal when given this unique opportunity. Feeling inspired? Why not give it a try? Start your weekly water fast journey and see how your body responds. Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing health content. Your wellness journey is just beginning, and we're here to support you every step of the way.